Bro, you cannot be serious. Like, bro, there's these YouTubers in the world that actually exist. But then some people don't subscribe to them, like me. I don't get any views no more. By the way, Team Sammy. Go, Team Sammy. And it's really concerning about that. So, here's what I'm gonna do. Since this is Roblox and anyone loves Roblox, we're gonna everyone that's a small content creator is gonna type small content creator assemble, and then I'm gonna check back and see if how much small YouTube people we got. By the way, this is me. If you wanna fight me, then fight me. Okay. So no, it's Little Legend. And subscribe for free candy.